Today, we're diving deep into Python data structures, one of the most important topics you'll need to master as a Python programmer. We will cover the core data structures like lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets, and explore how they work, why they're important, and when to use them. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of Python's data structures and how to use them efficiently in your own programs. Let's jump right in. In Python, data structures are used to store and organize data in a way that makes it easier to perform operations on it. Think of them as containers that hold different types of data in an organized manner, allowing you to manage and manipulate information efficiently. Python offers a wide variety of built-in data structures that cater to different use cases, such as lists, ordered collections of items that can be modified, tuples, similar to lists, but immutable, dictionaries, key-value pairs for fast lookups, sets, unordered collections of unique items. First up, lists in Python. Lists are ordered collections of elements, and they are mutable, meaning you can add, remove, or change the elements after the list is created. Lists are zero-indexed, meaning the first element has an index of 0. For example, fruits, 0, gives you the first element of the list, which is apple. Lists can hold multiple data types, such as integers, strings, or even other lists. You can easily update, add, or remove elements using various list methods. List slicing is a powerful tool to work with sublists or portions of a list. Lists are versatile, dynamic, and essential for many types of operations in Python. A tuple is similar to a list, but with one major difference: tuples are immutable. Once you create a tuple, you can't modify it. This makes tuples ideal for storing data that shouldn't change, like coordinates or configuration settings. Like lists, tuples are also indexed, meaning you can access individual elements using indexing. However, since tuples are immutable, you cannot change their elements after creation. Tuples are often used when you want to store data that should not be changed throughout the program. They are also faster than lists due to their immutability. Now, let's move on to dictionaries. A dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of key-value pairs. Each key in a dictionary must be unique, and it maps to a specific value. Dictionaries are incredibly useful when you need to store data in pairs, like a name paired with an age. You can access dictionary values using their corresponding keys. For example, student name gives you alias. Dictionaries allow you to add new key-value pairs, update existing ones, or remove them. Dictionaries are perfect for tasks where you need to associate one piece of data with another. They're commonly used in scenarios like settings, configurations, or mapping values. Next, let's talk about sets. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. Unlike lists and tuples, sets do not store duplicates, which makes them useful when you need to ensure that a collection contains only distinct items. Sets are great for membership testing and performing set operations like union, intersection, and difference. Sets are perfect for operations that involve unique items, like finding duplicates, checking membership, or performing mathematical set operations. Another useful concept when working with Python data structures is the del statement. The del keyword allows you to delete variables, elements from lists, slices, or even entire objects from memory. You can also use del to delete entire objects or slices of data. This helps manage memory more effectively by removing data you no longer need. Practice exercise. Which Python data structure is ordered, mutable, and allows duplicate elements? Lists in Python are immutable. Lists are ordered collections of items, which can be of different types. They are mutable, meaning you can modify their elements after creation. Lists are created using square brackets and can store duplicate values. Tuples. Tuples are similar to lists but are immutable, meaning their elements cannot be changed after creation. They are created using parentheses and are often used for grouping related data. Sets. Sets are unordered collections of unique elements. They are useful for storing and manipulating distinct values. Sets are created using curly braces and can perform set operations like union, intersection, and difference. Dictionaries. Dictionaries are collections of key-value pairs. They provide a way to associate values with unique keys, making it easy to look up values based on their keys. Dictionaries are created using curly braces and colons to separate keys and values. Strings. Strings are sequences of characters and are used to represent textual data. They are immutable, so you cannot change individual characters within a string. Python offers various string manipulation methods for working with text. Sets and maps. The set data structure in Python provides an implementation of sets, while the collections module offers specialized data structures like default dict, counter, and order dict for various advanced use cases.